Arutwo aya atatu na murugamiriri umwe wa thabari mari gikundine kia agendi 60 aria mathiete gucera mutito-ini wa Nyandarua muthi wa Jumamothi. Riria aruna o macokire o makihitia njira ya gucoka na kurira mutito-ini.
On our way down, we lost our way. We took the wrong turn. Then from there, we never traced the rest of guys we were hiking with. We went up to a place where we could not find network. Then we decided to sleep there.
We couldn't move at night, so we had to sleep in the forest. And it got a bit crazy. It was a bit cold.
Firigisheni ne ya kumetha iria igutafanagio ni maafitha a borithi a mitito na a guthaitira nyamu cia githaka makihuthira ndege ithatu. Aya ana makorirwo gatagati-ini ka mutito kuria marariungaga kwa ihinda ria thiku 2 matari mai kana irio.
So we said, let's go to a higher ground where we'll get network. So we climbed up the forest through very thick bush up the high. When we reached up there, we lit a fire. So that, because we saw choppers were looking for us, because that was not normal. Choppers were just zooming around, and we knew they're looking for us.
Mnapokuja katika eneo, muingie kwa chief ama kwa dio ampatie the local guide, kwa sababu ile kitu ilifanyika nasikia yule mzee hata huyu guide wa hapa alikuwa ametoka sehemu ile nyingine ya juu kidogo na huenda ikawa hakuelewa hii area.
Ana aya ni mataririe uria marafatarikanire gwakia mwaki utuku niguo kumakia nyamu cia githaka itikamatharikire.
We had to evade buffaloes and it was a bit crazy. It's a life-changing experience and it teaches you more about life.
Kuonekana kwao ni kurehire gikeno kinene kuri andu ao aria hau kabere megwetereire na hahu nene ringiriro-ini ria mutito. Atatu ao ni marehirwo Nairobi na ndege kurorwo makiria guku murugamiriri wa thabari agitwarwo thibitari-ini ya Olkalau. Icera riu riatafanitio ni kambuni imwe yoikaine ta Bucket List. Handũ-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.